Okay, we're back. We are 26 minutes into this cut, and it has done, let's see where we're at now, 23.62 millimeters. And this is a graphic of what the machine is doing at the same time. You can see that. Sort of shows you where it is. The graphic is nice to watch, but it's the numbers really we're interested in, which is the depth on this occasion. So hopefully we're going to see together, because this is the first cut with this setup. What I'm hoping to see, we're going down to 24.11 now. So another couple of passes, and then it will be doing a finish pass as well. Or I think I've got it actually set to do 3 finish passes. Very, very fine it should be. With another tool bit I was using, I was getting quite deep score lines in the material. That doesn't look too bad in this occasion. We're down to 24.6 mil now. We'll give it another minute or two, and we should be at the correct depth. And then it will do, if I've got it right, it should do a finish pass around the walls. So very, very fine cuts around the wall of the bottom one. So we're now at 24.8 mil. So I think when I set this up, I opted to have 3, I think, finish passes at the depth, or going down to that depth of 25 mil. And it's going a bit slower as well. It should go even slower. In a minute I'm just going to slow it down even more to the, because I've turned the speed up on it at the minute. Okay, so now I think we're doing the finishing, so I'm going to slow this down. Okay, so we're at the right depth now, and now it should, if I've got this right, do finish passes on the wall. And you can see from the length, it is doing the right job. So instead of chips coming off, it's like hair, which is the full width. I'm going to turn the thing up a bit, and I'm going to turn the speed down a bit. So I'm going to turn the speed down because I heard a bit of vibrating. I want a better finish with it. So we're going to go real slow, about 180, and I'm going to turn the motor up until it gets fit, just until the motor sounds sweet. Sorry, not slower, even less. Doesn't necessarily matter how many passes we have. But you can see it's pretty fine where it's coming off. Groove there, you can see, but I think it's going to do the pass, so I might turn it down 400 millimeters per minute. But I've turned it down to, I think, about 100. I can't see because it's covered by that feed, but it should be about 100 millimeters per second. Bearing in mind I have no idea what other people do with CNC milling, I'm going to turn the hoover on a little bit. It might even help if there's no debris in the way. Really nice speed. It is taking material off. Now you can see why I've got a flexible hose because it's faulty. Looking a lot better than it is my previous pieces. Job at the moment stands at 33 minutes. And that is, or should be, complete. Let me just turn the hoover off. Okay, so 33 minutes to do that cut there from a block. I use this tool to just finely surface the dowel rim, because you can see that's what the dowel rim has come like to me. You can feel some machining or whatever it is. That is the finish from this piece. Barely feel any ripples in there at all. And that's the finish from the side cut. Again, it is a machine finish, so there is a few bits in there. Maybe as it's come round with resistance it's gone in, but they'll get better, I'm sure. Okay, let's take it out the vise and see what we've got to do with it now. Because that has finished on that vise now. Let's see what we've got. Not bad, that won't be too bad to clean up. So the next part of this is to cut this down, cut that back bit off, and that is, let's measure it rather than guess. I think about 8mm, but let's have a guess. Yeah, 7.3mm. So what I'm going to do with that is cut that on the bandsaw, because then I will be able to use that for something else. Even if I get a 3mm door out of it, it's worth saving rather than just milling and making a mess like that with the material that's on there. Will I do that tonight? Probably not now. I'll do that tomorrow. Let's show you my next stage that I've made a new fixing. So this is a new fixing. Okay, so this is a fixing that is going to hold a machined part of a mod in there. Then it gets bolted by these two bolts. This has got some captive nuts in there. And then it will be held down by these two screws and two screws at the back. And that will hold that rigid for machining the top. And I'm in the middle of making another jig that will sit across here. And that is being designed tonight. Let me show you that. Okay, so this is the design of it. And because I can't press my keyboard as well, I can't twizzle it around much. I can a bit, there we go. So the bits that you can see on the bottom, the round bits midway, they are actually holes. But to be able to get it to print, I've had to create, because it's printing on this surface here, up that way, I've had to create some supports so that it can print this hole in reverse. And the reason for that is I wanted these to be nice. Let's see if you can see those. So each one of those little blocks will slot in to these slots, meaning that when I move this up and down, it's going to move up and down parallel and not any angle that it decides. So, and that will be then fitted with these bolts, these T-bolts. So that will just go, that will slide in there, bolt through the fixing, and then the fixing will also have two bolts here, so that I can then fit a piece there and have it fixed steady and then machine the sides. So we've got this part here, the front part is machining the top and the bottom, or will machine the bottom once I've finished that bit off. Then it will move down to that one where I can machine on the top surface to fit, to put in the 510 recess and the 510 hole. And that's all that's there for. Then this fixing here will be to put in, there's my mod, these recesses or any other pattern that we put in, and the buttonhole. And again, that has to be rigid, because on my previous attempt with that mod that I've got there, I showed you, this was fitted like this, and actually I could see it moving, not that much, but you know, it was wobbling like that whilst I was trying to cut the 510.